today, of course, was the expiry for the February series for the F&O segment, but on the overall markets in the cash segment as well, we ended up holding up quite smartly at that. By the day's close, we ended almost at the highest point of the session, actually, 62.38 the close on the Nifty. Sensex as well higher by almost 0.6%. We had quite a bit of buying, actually, that was witnessed in names like a GAIL, a Dr. Reddy's, M&M, ITC. All these were dominating the big Nifty gainers for the day. On the losing side, though, we clearly had metals under pressure. So look at the way an NMDC, Sesa, Sterlite, even a Tata Steel, in fact, that rounded up really the losers list. And the metals index overall as well lost close to 2%. In the broader markets, once again, a very active day coming through here, up by about 1/3% roughly. But if we talk about sectoral bias, IT continued to be in favor. Once again, you had the CNX IT index hitting fresh record highs. In fact, you also had FMCG, healthcare, banks doing very well. What, however, was under pressure that we could see, of course, was coming in on the metal side. But let's also talk about the capital goods space, because that's been extremely active. For the series, we've added at close to 9%. And today, look at the moves on an ABB, even a Siemens for that matter, 3 to 4% higher. From the broader markets, then, fair bit of activity once again seen in the mid-cap side. IT Pack as that. Geometric up 5%. Polaris was extremely active. We, of course, had rumors of possible stake sale divestments coming through. The management clearly denied it, but the stock just kept moving higher. Arvind was another interesting day. A name, of course, 5% move coming in here. Extremely heavy volumes as well. Max India, a Sanofi, which came out with its numbers last evening from the MNC Pharma Pack, was also active and up by about 4%.